We just built a multi-platform advertising dashboard in under 30 minutes utilizing AI. Here's how Firebase Studio's Gemini 2.5 is making the impossible routine for non-technical developers everywhere. So let's get inside. I'm going to show you exactly within 15 minutes how this works and how you can get started right away. Inside of Firebase Studio, which is Google's app building software and platform. And today they just announced that 2.5 Gemini is now available. And what that means is that there's a lot more context and memory space that this coder developing software can add. Now, I don't know what the price is. I think it's free at the moment, but it could go up at some point. I'm just going to share with you guys what I'm doing right now, and we're going to test it together and see how effective it is. Now, I am using it somewhere else. I'm using 2.5 somewhere else, and it's extremely effective, but I'm not doing it inside of the Firebase Studio for many reasons, but I'm not going to get into those right now. However, if you do follow me, go ahead and like and share, and at some point you could find out how I'm using AI. But let me just show you guys real quickly here what I did. So I said an app that I can connect to all of my ad accounts like Meta, TikTok, and Google Ads, and go high level to see how my ad spend is performing. Just to get back to, and it would be good to see how our emails, text, and AI voice and AI chat widgets are performing in Go High Level, all on one dashboard. All right, so let's see what it came up. So here's a plan for what we're prototyping this app. Take a look at below to customize as needed, or if you're already selected prototypes, prototype this app. So I'm just going to see what it came up with. This is more of creating a doc for what it is that you want to do, right? So Ad View Central. Cool. Came up with actually a cool kind of name. Ad View Central. Its features: ad account connections. Connect and authenticate multiple ad accounts, Meta, TikTok, Google, and other APIs. Go High Level integration. Connect to Go High Level API and access emails, SMS, voice, AI voice, and AI chat widget performance data, dashboard visualizations. Display key advertising metrics, spend, impressions, conversions, etc. Email performance, SMS performance, AI analytics, and performance anomaly detection. So I don't know, we'll detect statistically. So there's a couple more things I want to say. So let's track ROI, ad spend, lead counts, LTV of leads, LTV of scheduled calls, and average. So let's see, ad cost per sell. These are some really good metrics. If I can figure out what my ad cost per sell is, then I'm like, oh, cool. If I'm making $2,000 or $3,000 per sell and it costs me $200 per sell, I would do that all day long. A 10x, an easy 10x. Now that's a really good number. It could be less, it could be more. It really just depends. Just fix this here. And then let's see what it comes up with. So it's basically just updated what I'm looking to performance and anomaly detection. Let's see. Dashboard visualize, display key advertising metrics, spend, impressions, conversions, ROI, ad cost per sell, etc. in a consolidated dashboard view. So maybe there's a ROAS, return of ad spend. Maybe I want to have that in there. Maybe not. Maybe it's just you want to see combined what they're all doing. So I'm going to go ahead and click just prototype this ad. It's going to build it in TypeScript, Next.js, JavaScript, and Tailwind CSS.